Happy birthday, dear Bobby. Yeah, it's my birthday, you know. Oh. You wrote the song for me. Some might disagree. I made it through another year. Thankfully. When you love somebody else, gotta learn to love yourself. That's why I wrote this birthday song to me. Yeah. You know it's Rob B, Soul Star from Clockwork fame. You don't forget to put that 7 on the end of our name. We've been through blood, sweat, and tears, join the pain. Another year, these whack rappers still sounding the same. I thank God for another year. You know I'm still here, I'm so blessed. I must confess, no stress, no stress. Rob B, no chains on me. No cuffs, no shackles, best believe I'm free. You know I think I need to testify, he been so good. Sometimes I don't talk to you when I know that I should. You know, sometimes I don't even pray. But let me start today. I wanna thank you for my life, my health, my limb activity, my strength, my family. You gave me ability to rhyme on these suckers and to make it complete. You made me Superman lover in the sheets, and I thank you for it. The haters on my timeline, yo, they can't ignore it. Putting pen to the paper, yo, is mandatory. I'm the freshest in my category. That's point blank, period, exclamation with the end of story. From the Met, that's Columbia South. In July, it's hot enough to melt the gold in your mouth. Hot enough to fry some chicken on the pavement, you see. Line your crew up, 'cause none of y'all ain't sticking with me. Better go see Aaron Lucas, get your jump shot right. Ryan Jones and ATL to get your photo tight. Mo Smith, Tasha Addison, it works for sure. Miko, Julian, Tennille got that Plexus for you. I appreciate the love sent, the phone calls and messages, the money and the cupcakes. I wasn't expecting this. If you know one thing to be true, this Rob B, the song's for you. Yeah. Spit around to make your mama feel so proud of me. I spit around to help to stimulate economies. Rod and Clee be the hottest of commodities. Clockwork 7 coming through, ain't no stopping me. Spit around to make your grandmama proud of me. I sing a song to have your girlfriend loving me. So much so I can never get it out of me. Clockwork 7, rip 'em up with no apology. Saying Rob B, you fly, said I know. It's your birthday, I know. Whoa, I want my cake and eat it too. I can rhyme if I won't, get fly if I want to say clockwork, killing it. I know it's your birthday, I know. Whoa, I want my cake and eat it too. I can rhyme if I won't, get fly if I won't now. H-A-P-P-Y-B-I-R-T-H-C-A-Y. And I hope I have many more. I never know what life has in store. Happy birthday. It's my birthday, honestly. I celebrate with no apologies. Happy birthday. Yeah, you know what today is. Best day. Yeah. My birthday now. I have a great day now. You know today is a special day. Gonna throw in the towel, 'cause you know someday, somebody, somewhere gonna catch the flow. You ever had a dream, really seem impossible? To everyone but you it was improbable. Illogical.